Hi everyone. It's Harry here. This featured video is for subscribers who are returning to my channel who already had a taste of what one can expect to find here. As you know, I have traveled the world, seen hundreds of places, and met with a substantial number of people from all levels of society. Today I try to explore and learn what makes us all go about our daily walks in life. My videos and my points of view never stay the same. Life is a choreography of scenes that change from one moment to the next, so I am trying to catch a glimpse of our purpose in this world so that I can learn how to make my presence here of benefit to our earth and everything that occupies it. I hope that your ideas are in line with my concepts, and if you continue to like what you see and what you hear, do continue to support my channel and contribute through your comments.